The goal of the one of the goals of the executive action program, or executive action that the President announced as it relates to immigration about 10 days ago, was related to bringing those individuals who've been in this country for some time out of the shadows, right, giving them a work permit and onto the books, and giving them a Social Security number and making them taxpayers.
Our immigration laws set forth in very clear terms about what people who are in this country illegally have to do in order to leave and then come back and obtain lawful status. And here, all of a sudden, the people who are here illegally, they wake up every day continuing to violate our nation's immigration laws, are being afforded, in many cases, more benefits than lawful citizens get.
Well, later this month, the U.S. Supreme Court will hear arguments on this case, United States versus Texas, and it has to do with 26 states challenging the executive orders that President Obama issued in 2014. Here's a brief for the petitioners. Quote, non-qualified alien is not categorically barred, however, from participating in certain federal earned benefit programs associated with lawfully working in the United States, the Social Security, retirement and disability, Medicare, and railroad worker programs, so long as the alien is lawfully present in the United States as determined by the Secretary.
It's the fundamental question, the first question that has to be decided. Is what he did legal, constitutional? If so, these people are in the United States legally.
This case potentially, Charles, changes the whole ball game. It changes the environment in which immigration law is being dealt with.
I think it's bigger than that. If the president is allowed to go ahead and to do this, and it's decided that it's constitutional, then you can send Congress home and you can eliminate Article 1 from the Constitution. Then there are no laws. I mean, the judge is right. As a policy issue, the Congress decides, it passes the law, it decided that this is not appropriate. The president has a big heart with your tax money, and the Congress said no, it goes only to citizens. And if the president can unilaterally overturn that, then we have no laws, and we have essentially a single branch of government that legislates. This is a huge decision. I do not understand how the four liberal justices will, as they will, resist the logic here.
You can, not just citizens, legal residents.